I have Samsung Gear S3 Frontier and I will try to take it apart and you can witness that. So for that we will need that driving screwdriver. Normally if you buy one for Nintendo handheld consoles like DS, 3DS, they use this kind of screwdriver. So let's start with, and now we have 4 screws, and in order to unscrew them you should put hard, because if you don't push hard enough you can make that screw, the head of it could be broken. Now you can see the screw is going out and you will hear a click when it's done. So next you will need that kind of tool. It's a prying tool, they call it opening tool, whatever. The thing is, it's metal, very flexible and very thin, so it's not breaking when you push it. So now we need to find a gap which will allow us to slip beneath that back panel and the now we can see I managed to do that. You need to do that kind of accurately, not to scratch the body of the watch. It has a kind of a gasket inside, so it will prevent you to get inside some water. Do it carefully, because there are some internals what could be broken if you pull it apart. Okay, so this is it. This is the back plate. We even see some water get inside. This is clearly water damaged on the top. Okay, so we have 2 screws here, one here and one here. Plus we have a protective piece of rubber or something. I will remove it anyway. We have here actually 3 flex cables. This. What else? Okay, so let's unscrew this tool. Next we need to gently pry this board. Don't pry it all the way up because I believe it could be the cable beneath. Okay, there is one. And I should just figure out where one here on one side here, it's attached to that. And another one is the battery. To release the battery side, I believe I see it. So I will pry this thing. Okay, so battery is good now. And another one, I still don't know how to release it at this point. But let me see. We need to remove the battery first without damaging that flex. Okay, battery is out, and I still don't know how to. Is it attached? Kind of. Not sure if I can remove that thing. So next you can lift up this whole thing. Now you have here the display plus this spinning bezel, and I don't know yet how to lift the display in case you need to replace it. I bet actually if you want to remove the bezel, you just lift it up, pry it with something. Be careful, there are kind of 4 balls, small metal balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So do it carefully, try not to lose them. And it's pretty easy to put it back as well. If you have bezel is not moving, spinning evenly, you can use the alcohol, just spray it so it will get inside under the bezel, spinning bezel I mean, and after that you can make it spin easily. Getting back to that flat cable attached to this board, if you turn this side, you see those buttons. You can see these buttons back and home or power. So if you pry it from here, like that, That's it. It's just some portion of glue here and here, so this is it. Guys, so to remove the display, you should just pry it out gently from here or any other side. You see it's popping up. This display is already bad, so I'm kind of not really caring about. You see it's here, it's popping up. In case if you have a good display, probably don't do that, or do it kind of the other way. Probably just apply a little heat will help to pull it up. In my case, I don't care. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this one is a digitizer actually, and I bet what this is it.